Gonna get the children tomorrow.
Yes, but okay. Mom, please, Mom. I don't want to. Wait. Where are you? I'm in the other police station. I know. Just calm down, sweetheart. You have to be I'm gonna give you a statement. I'll call you back, sweetie, baby. Don't stop. This phone, sweetheart. You're my mother now. Mommy will fight, don't worry.
Mommy don't fight.
You can speak to me, Sean. Wait, and have you waited? Please, please hold the phone. You have to hide it.
Don't hang up the phone. Yang kasubel, yung kanyang social secretary. Marinig natin ito rito.
Liz, hi. Sorry to bother you, but I just got a call from Thor, and they're a bit concerned because they've gotten an order now that the chief of ASAP is supposed to be changed by Tuesday, and there are people that are out to do some extraction. If it's possible to just keep the ASAP as is daw para hindi magulo yung extraction kasi 2 weeks pa yata or something like that. Or please call Thor. I might be saying the wrong things, but
Ang communication ni Liza sa asawa ni Teddy Boy Locsin Jr. na dating DFA Secretary ng 2022, kinakausap niya para paano manipulahin ang mga dokumento at gamitin, abusuhin ang power ng government. Here we go.
Hi, Lily. How are you? I'm here in Bacolod, campaigning for my hubby look with Marie Chris and a bunch of gay people. But anyway, the reason why I called you is I have a favor to ask you. We gave all the documents na to Mila, but syempre iba po tumawag ka. A good friend of ours, Francis Chua, basically has a problem in Istanbul, in Turkey, so he went to court. The judge issued an order in his favor, so now we're just having everything authenticated so that he can be served in the embassy in Istanbul, right? So Mila has all the documents. I won't bore you with the details, but if you could call Mila and just give a little push. Everything's above board, don't worry. I'm very good at that. But yeah, that's it. So I hope to see you soon. Grabe pa kolon. All we did here was eat, and eat. Okay, dear. I'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Okay. Question ko sa inyo, mga kababayan, is that AI? Nakakagalit, di ba? Kinausap niya ang asawa ni Teddy Boy Locsin Jr. Kaya